Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Modimolle, Limpopo, South Africa for R2 million. This 3-bedroom house is located in a well-known golf estate with beautiful views of the Bushveld. A new and modern house with a beautifully fitted kitchen with breakfast counter and open-plan dining and living room. Each of the bathrooms are fully fitted with the latest fittings and boasts outdoor showers. The main bedroom has loads of storage space and clothing cupboards. Air conditioning in 1 bedrooms and ceiling fans in the reception rooms. Double garage with extra large height opening as well as a golf cart garage. Filter system with a 5000 L tank and pressure pump. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.